You just got paid. For a few seconds, it feels good. You worked hard, you earned it. But here's the question nobody asks. Will this paycheck change your life? Or will it disappear like all the others? Because for most people, payday isn't progress. It's just a temporary pause between financial stress. A few small purchases, a couple subscriptions, one weekend out, and suddenly, the money that took weeks to earn is gone in days. The problem isn't that you don't make enough. The problem is nobody taught you what a paycheck is actually for. Every payday creates two futures. One future buys comfort today, the other buys freedom tomorrow. Most people never realize they're choosing. The average person gets paid, then reacts, spend, swipe, repeat. Then they wonder why nothing changes, why they're still stuck, why they're always starting over. Here's the rule that changed my thinking. Every dollar needs a mission before it leaves your account. The moment your paycheck arrives, tell your money exactly where it's going, or life will decide for you. First, protect your survival. Housing, food, transportation. Take care of today's responsibilities. Second, pay your future self. Not after everything else, even if it's $20. Because freedom isn't built by huge deposits. It's built by consistent decisions. Third, destroy expensive debt. Because debt steals money from the future version of you. Every balance you eliminate gives yourself a raise, without asking anyone for permission. Fourth, own things that grow. Assets, investments, skills, businesses. Real wealth isn't built overnight. It's built quietly, month after month, paycheck after paycheck. Fifth, invest in yourself, because your income grows when your value grows. A new skill, a certification, a book, a side project. Those investments can pay you forever. Most people spend money trying to look successful. Winners spend money becoming successful. There's a difference, and that difference changes lives. One paycheck won't make you rich, but one smart payday routine, repeated for years, absolutely can. Small actions become habits. Habits become results. Results become freedom. Less anxiety, less panic, more control, more options, more peace. That's what money is really for. Not showing off, not impressing strangers. Freedom. So the next time you get paid, don't ask, what can I buy? Ask yourself, what future am I funding? Because every paycheck is casting a vote for the person you'll become, a vote for the life you'll live, a vote for your freedom. I'm Lester Terry, and this is Stackr. Stack today, freedom tomorrow.